Karnataka Law Society, one of the leading organizations in professional education, established the Institute of Management Education and Research in Belgaum in the year 1991. The primary aim of this venture was to create a class of experts who could cater to the challenges of the business world. Affiliated to the Rani Chennamma University of Belgaum, today IMER stands proud as a leading management institute of Karnataka. In the year 2009, IMER was conferred with the A++ rank at the All India B School Survey by leading magazines such as Business India and the Dalal Street Finance Journal. For 2 successive years, that is, in 2011 and 2012, IMER was bestowed with the Most Promising Entrepreneurship Academy Award by Deshpande Foundation, Hubli. IMER has also been awarded the Best B School in Karnataka title by Brands Academy, New Delhi at the Education Excellence Awards 2012. As many as 240 students from various parts of the country, coming from diverse cultural backgrounds, seek education in IMER every year.
This institution has got a best infrastructure in this part of the state, as well as the institution has got 120 intake, having a more than 80% placement every year, and we have got a best faculty to educate the students in the field of management.
What sets IMER apart is its emphasis on comprehensive grooming of the students, which transforms them into successful leaders and entrepreneurs. Highly qualified, experienced and dedicated full-time faculty impart useful knowledge and also equip the young minds with a new perception towards the world of business. To complement the educational needs of the students, this B School is equipped with the best infrastructure. At IMER, the primary focus is on experiential learning. This automatically creates a new room for empirical research and augments the student's knowledge capital.
KLS IMER is an institute with a difference. We believe in continuous learning. It is a learning organization. The students undergo experiential learning. We have the state-of-art technology, and we believe in local. Think local and act global.
At IMER, we offer a number of courses in marketing like business-to-business marketing, services marketing, rural marketing, integrated marketing, communications, etc. At IMER, we strongly believe that management cannot be taught, but it has to be learned.
Hi, at IMER, we don't just teach management, we create the opportunity for students to become managers and leaders. Our HR forum, Ethnos, gives the students an opportunity to network themselves with professionals and bring to themselves the skills that industry demands.
Hello folks, welcome to IMER. We began our journey in fact in 1991. It's one of the most old and prestigious institutions, management institutions in this part of the country. We here at IMER strongly believe in providing ample opportunities to the students so that 360-degree grooming happens. We believe in delivering maximum cash, that is knowledge, attitude, skills and habits, so that by the end of 2 years they carry huge pack of cash with them so that they are well placed or well received in the corporate world. Thank you. Welcome to IMER again.
IMER encourages its learners to actively participate in a variety of events. Co-curricular and extracurricular activities, seminars, conferences, training sessions, debates and discussions are a regular feature. The students have ample opportunities to interact with business stalwarts.
You have to change your whole education system, right? Education is not about passive listening. It's not about a lecturer coming to the class, giving a big lecture, and you come and write your exams. That's not education, right? Education is about actually being curious, having conflicts in your own mind, resolving those conflicts, asking a lot of questions, right?
IMER does not solely rely on curriculum, classroom lectures and content, but goes beyond its boundaries into the real world to enrich the students' learning experience. Hence, there are frequent industry visits for students to provide hands-on experience of management.
What do we do here? What do we do here?
What do we do here?
What do we do here?
We don't advertise. We just show sense and simplicity.
We don't compromise but compete to be the best.
The world is after jobs and we believe in creating it.
Students of IMER have numerous achievements to their credit, with their long list of laurels that continues to extend year after year. The placement cell further fine-tunes the students' skills and gives them valuable guidance to get their dream jobs. Hence, the young and dynamic postgraduates of IMER get placed in some of the most renowned business organizations of the world. This B School also offers ample choice to the employers in selecting and hiring the candidates. As a result, it benefits both the employer and the employee. IMER values integrity and commitment and aims to create professionals with national character and global awareness. IMER, creating new frontiers.